Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this look. I was inspired by Ponysmakeup and I just kept watching her video over and over again because it was just so simple yet so beautiful, and I tried to kind of recreate that. But of course I don't have one, good skin, two, I don't have the products that she owns at all, so I just used, my products to kind of create it. I also don't have double eyelids, so I tried to create like some double eyelid action. Didn't work, of course, so it's very yeah, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't look that great in person, but I mean, from this far it looks pretty decent, but if you got any closer it wouldn't look cute. Let's just say that. But anyways, I'll stop rambling, and if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep watching and let's get started. I'm taking my Becca First Light Priming Filter. It's the purple one. I'm applying that to my face. Then I'm taking the Laura Mercier Radiance Primer and I'm applying that also to my face for that extra glow. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Natural Buff and my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Santa Fe and applying that to my face and then blending it out with my Beauty Blender. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light and just applying that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, around my nose, my chin, my forehead, and any acne spots or red areas that I have on my face. And blending it out with a dense brush and then blending it even more with the Beauty Blender. I'm taking my Coty Airspun in the shade Translucent, and I'm taking a fluffy brush and just dipping my brush into the powder, tapping off excess, and then just patting it where I applied my foundation and concealer to set everything. I take my brush and I tap it like that, so the fluffy side is up, so the powder falls in the brush, and so I have a little bit extra to like fluff it onto my face. For extra color and coverage, I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade Nude Beige and just applying that all over my face with the same fluffy brush. I'm taking my Mario Badescu rose water and spritzing that on my face so the product can all melt together. I'm taking my Palladio Eyebrow Powder in this like cool tone taupey brown shade and using it to contour my nose as always. I'm taking that same Palladio shadow powder, and on a big fluffy brush I'm using that to contour under my cheekbones. So I'm contouring under my cheekbones and then blending it downwards to give my face a more slimmed effect. I'm taking my Milani liquid eye eyeliner pencil in the shade brown, and I'm going to be tightlining my eyes. I'm now applying it as normal eyeliner, but instead of having my wing go up, I'm going to have it follow the natural curve of my eye, so it's going to go downwards. And then I'm taking a angled brush and just smudging it out to give it that sharper point, and smudging out the actual eyeliner to give it a more smudged looking effect. I'm then taking some concealer on my concealer brush and cleaning up under the wing that we created to give it a sharper point. Taking a big fluffy blending brush, I'm taking that same contour shade that we used for our nose and our cheeks and applying that into the creases of my eyes, and I'm only focusing on the crease. On a more detailed little fluffy brush, I'm taking that same shadow and focusing on the crease and like creating a sharper looking line, and then blending it out with a clean blending brush to soften it up. To define the line of my crease even more, I'm taking an angled brush and dipping into the contour shade to make a sharper line, and then taking a clean blending brush to soften it again. There's a lot of repetition in this. I'm taking the Sephora shadow in the shade Lucky Penny and applying it with a flat top brush, and I'm applying it dry and onto the lid, and then I'm taking my finger and packing more glitter shadow onto my eye. I'm going to be applying falsies and mascara, and I'll be right back. On my waterline, I used ColourPop's gel liner in the shade Honey Dude, and for mascara, I used L'Oreal's Butterfly Mascara. And now I'm going to be applying the contour shadow again, but under the little baggies under my eye. So I smile to create this little bag shape, and then I'm just emphasizing that basically because it gives you a more like cute effect. I'm taking my Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm taking the shades Havana and Java into the crease with a small detailed brush. I'm then taking this shimmery light color in the palette with my big fluffy brush and applying it under my eyes and any high points of my face. Now I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Soft Pink and putting that onto the back of my hand, and then taking my finger and blending that onto my cheeks. To blend it out even more, I'm taking my damp beauty blender and just blending in the lipstick. I'm now taking my Sephora blush in the shade Romantic Rose and applying that on top of the lipstick to blend out the colors a little bit more. I'm now taking my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter Powder in the shade Peach Lights and applying that to the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the high points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I'm taking my BH Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Stripped, and I'm lining and filling in my lips with it. On top of the lip liner, I'm just applying some random pink lip gloss that I had, and yeah. I'm taking the Mario Badescu Rose Water and just setting my face. I forgot to highlight my inner corner, so I'm taking my highlighter again and just on a tiny little brush applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. And you're done! And that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!